So without further ado, I'd like to have our esteemed friend, partner, colleague of AWS User Group Kochi. She's been here in various different capacities. We are very happy to have her as a part of our welcome note. I'd love to invite on stage Divya Rajan, who's the People Advisor and Associate Manager at Accenture. She has collaborated with AWS in all 5 editions. With a thunderous round of applause, may we have Divya on stage, please.
Everyone, good morning. Good morning. Seems like everybody has not had breakfast enough, is it? I know we're all coming from very far, probably not from Cochin. People are traveling from Trivandrum, and I know there are out-of-station people as well. But can I get a good morning? Because I also traveled from way too far place to be here. So good morning. So thank you so much, Ramesh. It was a kind introduction. Well, to start with, you know my name by now. I am Divya. I've been working with Accenture Cochin as a people advisor. Well, I see a lot of eyebrows raising. Yes, Accenture is in Cochin now. So that's an added advantage for us. I've been here for the 5th time now, and I think thank you so much for this opportunity, group, because I never wanted to. I would just never miss this event. The energy, the enthusiasm is so high. It's just that we are missing a small stall here, but probably next time for sure. And I see quite a lot of Accenture folks sitting here, so thank you so much for joining in. Ramesh has done a beautiful welcome, and I'm sure you guys are very warmed up by now. But I've been given to officially welcome all of you. Before that, I quickly wanted to know, so Ramesh was asking, how many of you are new? Can you raise your hands once again, just for me? Quite a lot of numbers, huh? Okay, I think the old-timers like us, we've just gotten very used to the fact that this is just our own event. We can, come whatever time we wish to. But then, again, for the new joiners or newcomers here, we're just quickly a snapshot of AWS User Group Kochi. We were founded in 2014, and we are this year proudly celebrating 11 years of being together, which is a big deal. So yes, round of applause for yourself. Just a quick question. Are you guys still, all of you, are you a part of an active member of AWS User Group Kochi? Yes? No? Yes? No? Seems like a no. It's just, I know we are all tech enthusiasts, but with that comes a lot of energy, right? So are we part of AWS community group yet? Yes? Yes? No? No, it seems like a no again. Are we part of AWS community group, Kochi? A little more louder, please. Your louder yes will give the team a lot of motivation. So once again, let's try once again. Are we part of AWS community group, Kochi, yet? Great, thank you so much. And I think it makes a lot of sense. If you are not a part of AWS community group yet, this is the time. I think it is time that you get into this group. You're missing on a lot of things that the team does. As I said, it's been 11 good years celebrating the success of building together. Our journey of regular meetups and events started in 2017, and that's where we are. We are close to a vibrant network of 3,500 plus active members coming together through in-person meetings, hands-on workshops, and the community day events. So a special milestone today, I think we've been calling it out quite a lot of time because the entire group is so proud about this feeling of running this 5th in-person AWS Community Day in Cochin. So that's the special moment for all of us. And every year the community comes together to build something bigger, bolder, and stronger. And I think the response from all of you has been massive. It's just overwhelming. Overwhelming to a point where I think we had some 100 plus odd registrations on day 1 by itself. So with that, I know to all the pillars who are sitting here ensuring this event is a success. I welcome you all to AWS Community Day 2025, Kochi, with the 5th edition of annual flagship day event. So let's hear for all of us, please. Okay, now, I think the elephant in the room, which is AI and ML and how it's going to impact our career. From just AWS topics or cloud topics, we have come to a merge where we are now moving slowly into AI and ML, and then everybody is a little confused of how it's going to shape up. There are quite a lot of anticipations happening around how things are going to change. But honestly, as an HR partner, I would say it's time to scale up, right? Are the old tech stacks going away? No. We are just improvising them with a little bit of help of AI and ML, right? So it's nothing to be scary about. It's a time where we grow, learn, and look forward to. So I think let's just address the elephant in the room today and hear about AI and its impacts on our career today. So I'll just quickly call a quote from Dr. Werner. I'm sure you guys have been seeing his video here. He has beautifully spoken how AI is going to turn and change our lives. He did call out on AWS reInvent in 2025 that AI won't replace great builders, it will amplify them. And that is one thing that we will have to keep in mind. It is not going to replicate anybody. It is absolutely going to amplify our careers, our future ahead, and it's going to make our lives easier, right? You don't have to spend a lot of time doing a lot of coding, probably have some agents ready, but then it will help you grow as a person. It doesn't mean that it's taking away our jobs. It just means that it's making our lives easier and giving us much more time and space to grow ahead and upskill and reskill yourselves. So I think that's the agenda for today. And before we dive into the next, upcoming sessions, I would like to call out on our sponsors and community partners. There is quite a big list, so I would really not like to call out the names. But a special call out to all of them, a very heartful welcome to all our sponsors and community partners. Without you guys, I am very certain it would have been very difficult for the team to pull out this event at a large scale. So let's just welcome all the sponsors and community partners to ACD 2025 Kochi. Well, how do we forget the extremely intelligent speakers here, right? We have today curated an excellent lineup of speakers who are going to talk about or share their insights about the AI and ML stories on AWS. So I'm being an HR person, very little knowledge of tech, but I'm super excited to hear what everybody has to share. With that, I would like to welcome all the speakers here. Thank you so much for taking out time and coming here, preparing your thoughts, putting it on a deck, and going to present it wonderfully. So thank you so much for joining in, and welcome to ACD Kochi 2025. Okay, that has to be loud, like literally loud. Thank you. Well, how do we forget our core team members, right? All of them. Yes, we have our partners. Yes, we have our participants. But how do we bring them here? It's with a beautiful team that we have here. The amount of hard work they put, the amount of efforts they spend in. I myself has been one of the sponsors until now. So I know the amount of hard work that goes in. Sleepless nights, a lot of confusion. I think the anxiety is still here. That just keeps happening. Until the end of the day, until we close the event, the anxiety with them is going to be there, right? But what without them? So we have a very beautiful team here who has worked so hard to ensure that you guys are here and set this all up. And we see the flow is very flawless. So for that team, I welcome you all as well. Thank you so much for bringing this up and, ensuring that this is happening every year on time. With that, I think I'll just quickly wind up. Again, reiterating, It is so good to see all of you here. Every year, we come with so much of excitement, with energy and enthusiasm to see what is ahead in our day. It's not easy. We know Saturdays are probably time where you chill in, but no harm in taking a day out to know what is up in tech community, right? So with that, on behalf of AWS User Group Cochin, a very warm welcome to all of you. We encourage you to actively participate, communicate with each other, learn freely, take this opportunity to network with each other, because what tech community without networking with each other, right? So let's just do it today. And once again, thank you for being here, and let's make the AWS Community Day Kochi 2025 an incredible experience for yourself. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Divya.